Kani kadika Batisi TV.
Sarkar jilla po ka Draibar mangtingka menta kasngi ka pratrek leber ka pentep pakipulet kin sakem no yu Draibar jong ka trok ubala shim hadu khat khandai ngot ki min simbrio ka jing tingko kali ka blaja ka arpun de trek rumpang Ynda ula Koit na ka jing sha sumar hakane ka jing tingko kali ki blaklat hadu menta ki la Koit chado khat khandai ngot ka ba ki ba men saw ki don hadu ndrupo ngot tam yakani ka jing tep la adu mentri katnat kampo yeng uba HDR lingdo haba jubab ka 0R notice balawan ra du MLA ka ramprai jerngam ba plastic well pangnyang habai dei ber kate ka jingja ba HDR la pentep hayeng Draibar kate ka jingja ka la jan nak da ko jing penher stat jong Draibar ya ka trok wat haba la don ka jing maham shushu ba HDR la pentep ba ki blangat akani ka jing tingko kali ka pisa ka ba anseu ka long arlang yaki ba hayeng jong kitu ki blaklat no bat san pho jar yaki ba mensaw na ka Prime Minister Relief Fund PMRF bat nak sarkar jala anseu san pho jar yaki ba hayeng jong kitu ki blaklat no bat chipho jar yaki ba mensaw.
Under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, I would like to draw the attention of the House to the newspaper clipping, the Shillong Time dated 27 February 2015, under the caption, 17 killed, 61 injured as speeding truck loses control over in West Khasi Hills.
Thank you. Minister in charge to reply.
MLA was tabled just 0-hour notice to discuss on the news item appearing in the Shillong Times dated 27 February 2017 under the caption 17 killed, 61 injured as speeding truck loses control in West Khasi Hills. Telephonic information was received by Superintendent of Police West Khasi Hills District from Shri B. Dengan MPS and Shri S. Dakhar MPS of 4th MLP Battalion as communicated by Shri Victor Sangma MPS DYSP, who was on his way to Shillong, that there was a major vehicle accident near Nongspung village NH 44E, where one truck bearing registration number ML06 4474 overturned at a sharp turning at about 8:30 a.m. while transporting a large number of Presbyterian Church faithful from Nginyong to attend the youth synod at Nonglang village. On receipt of information, Inspector D. Mauling, Circle Inspector Nongstoin, Sub-Inspector T.S. Maudo, Officer in Charge Nongstoin Police Station, WPSI, F.K. Marak, Officer in Charge Women Police Station, FAES staff proceeded immediately to the place of occurrence for rescuing the injured people. Further, the Superintendent of Police West Khasi Hills, Nongstoin and Shri B. Shetri, DYSP also rushed to the spot. The officers and men of the 4th Meghalaya Police Battalion were also alerted and requested to send their unit vehicles to the place of occurrence for transportation of the injured to Civil Hospital Nongstoin. The place of occurrence is at the place called Jai Do Krok near Nongspong village at about 11 km for Nongstoin, where 12 people, 6 male and 6 female, were found lying dead at the spot, whereas 56 injured were later removed to Civil Nongstoin Civil Hospital and 5 to Margasa Primary Health Center. 1 bus, an ambulance and 3 trucks of 4th MLP Battalion, LMBs, light motor vehicles of West Khasi Hills District Police 108 and many private vehicles were utilized for the transportation of the injured victims. Due to the timely arrival of the police officer, personnel of West Khasi Hills District Police and the public. The injured victims were removed and transported to civil hospital, Nongstoin and Markasa PHC. Further, all necessary legal formalities were observed at the spot by OC Nongstoin, PS, SI, TS Maudo, and WPSI, FK Marak, and also by the medical and health officer of West Kasil district for spot post-mortem examination. The dead bodies were handed over to the relatives and transported to the respective village by government and private ambulance and police trucks. When all the formalities are completed on the spot, the staff of F&ES Nongstoin cleaned the place of occurrence by using the fire tanker from the unit. Later, another 5 more victims died at the civil hospital Nongstoin, and all necessary legal formalities were conducted by the said police officer at civil hospital Nongstoin and the medical and health officer West Khasi Hills Nongstoin. Meanwhile, all the injured and critical ones were removed to the civil hospital Shillong and Naigrims Shillong. Another 2 more victims died at Naigrims Hospital Shillong. During the inquiry, locally and confidentially, it was ascertained that the ill-fated truck owned by Shri Wester's EM 35 years, son of Fringshon Nongset, residents of Umset Rambrai, was driven by one Aldening Siem, 26 years, son of Shri Bringshon Nongset, residents of Umset Rambrai, West Kasil district, in a very rash and negligent manner, in spite of being warned by the passengers not to drive at high speed. The driver does not pay heed, which resulted in the fateful accident, which led to the death of 19 lives and injury to 64 passengers. In this connection, a Somoto case has been registered by Nongstoin PS case number 32 in bracket 2 2017 under section 279 slash 337 slash 338 slash 304 A slash 427 IPC. The driver will be arrested after his discharge from the civil hospital Nongstoin. Necessary assistance has been provided to the victims, and the dead bodies were transported to the respected villages and the injured victims to civil hospital Nongstoin, Markasa, and civil hospital Shillong. I would like to inform the honorable members of this August House that the Prime Minister's office has communicated sanction for an ex gratia payment of rupees 2 lakhs each to the next of kin of the deceased person and rupees 50,000 each to the seriously injured persons from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. The state government also has decided to sanction an ex gratia payment of rupees 50,000 each to the next of kin of the deceased person and rupees 10,000 each to the injured person. Sir.
Kani Gadega Batisi TV.